think I'm into her. There will never ever be like this girl. Says into her. I don't know how long I'll hide this love, girl. And when the stars align, something magic happens that's divine. They say it's into her. He's into her. There will never ever be like this girl. There will never gonna be. They say I'm into her. I don't know how long I'll hide this love, girl. And when the stars align, something magic happens that's divine. They say it's into her. Yeah, I'm into her. Into her. We'll never be like this girl.
Hello po. Good afternoon po, Papa. Papa? Good afternoon po, Dad.
Max,
Hello po. Good after. Nice meeting you po, sir.
sir,
Ay, sorry po. Ano po pong gusto niyo itawag ko sa inyo?
whatever comfortable.
Dad?
Yeah, that sounds nice. Hey, Ann.
Hi! Hey, Dad. Is this Maxine? Max Payne po. Max Payne? Talaga? That's such an odd name. I'm sorry. It's just...
Max, are you Tita Macy and your sister Elle?
Pinabibigay nga po pala ni Lola Babes pati Tito Boyet. Okay, thank you. We'll put it in the ref.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nasaan si Max rin?
He's taking a shower kasi we're about to have dinner. Dinner is almost ready.
Okay.
Welcome to Benson, Miss Del Valle. I hope you have learned and taken to heart the mission and vision of the school for your senior year with us. As for your orientation, we have assigned a buddy to take you around the campus. Dapat nandito na siya. Pero, that's her.
Sir, sorry. Sorry na late ako. Pasensya na. You must be Max, Pink. Max. Hi, hello Max. I'm Nai and I'm going to be your new best friend. Ano, ready ka na? Tara na!
Tayo, ano tawag sa atin? Eh di mga normals, aka mga followers, yung tipong mga mudra sa tita na lang natin na nagpo-follow sa atin.
Excuse me, I'm not just a follower. I am the student council president. Hashtag on the road to influencer na ako.
Not a follower daw siya. Ikaw talaga? Ang funny-funny mo talaga. Ay, si Mia at Michi ko nga pala, si Max, our newest batchmate.
Hi Max, nice to meet you and welcome to our school.
Think I'm into her.
Oh my God, girl! Kayo ni Dave ang bagong love team dito sa Benison?
Hoy, manahimik ka nga. Anong love team? Kadiri kayo.
Anong kadiri?
Well, that's actually better than sinasabi nilang feelingera ka.
Ayos ka lang ba? Nasaktan ka ba?
Nasaktan? Girl, nag-kiss sila. Hindi masakit yun.
So, ano yan?
Sure up.
Hindi kami nag-kiss. May papel nga na nakaharang, ang kulit nyo naman.
So seriously, you didn't feel anything like cute feelings, kilig, butterflies in your stomach?
Anong nakakakilig dun sa pangit na buwisit na inrili na yun?
Excuse me. Talaga ba?
Nakakakilig ba yung Sensui na yun? Yung sa Ghost Fighter, yung nakaka-visit na character doon, yung gustong buksan yung Demon Gate. Ganon. Ganon si Enrile. Sa sobrang sama ng ugali niya, kaya niyang buksan yung impyerno.
Dami niyang sinasabi, te. Kinikilig lang po.
Ang sabi na, thank you all for pag-usap. We're all here, balik may mukha, may taguong Max, that is not allowed. May pahiya ka kay Master Dave at may mga master.
I want to pull her hair when she punched Dave. Kawawa naman si Dave. We have to fight for justice for Dave. We have to bring that girl down. Let's get figure out of Benson. Let's make sure she never comes down.
Yes, we are not peace by peace. Welcome. So surrender yung taguong Max na yan. To our friends, her family. Ang ganda galing kong taguong.
She's always given the trash. She's the trash. So let's show her exactly what she is.
Relation number 1. Trash walk, Chitaguro.
Hoy, Enrile, akin na yan. Hoy, akin na yan.
Kunin mo muna.
Hoy, Enrile, akin na yan.
Mr. Enrile, Miss Del Valle, my office, now. This calls for disciplinary action unless you work on a project together, an anti-bullying project. Sabay nyo. But sir, the project is on Monday. You have a whole weekend to prepare. I expect no less than a perfect presentation. Understood?
I like you, Max.
Uy! Grabe, Max ah! Ang galing mo pala kumanta. I was planning to do collab with you sana. Kaso, wag na lang. Kasi medyo seloso at possessive tong ka-MU mo.
Tama ka naman doon.
Teka, kailan kita naging ka-MU? Ito na bang sinasabi mong I like you?
Ano ba? Biro lang doon. Ayun, ganoon. Ganoon sobrang ganoon. Kala mo totoo yun? Guys, friends na lang tayo lahat dito, di ba?
Oh, friends! Tama!
Friends, we do our own samtal. Right? Right, di ba tayo?
Alam mo, Sensui, hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung sense of humor. Trip na trip mo ako pag-tripan, no? Ibang klase rin yung si Enrile. Kung makauto siya sa akin, akala mo amo ko siya. Teka, nai-stress ba kayo sa akin? Hindi, ano ka ba? Kikinig na ako eh. Tsaka Max, nasisira ka sa diskarte ko kay Link kapag work kayo ni Dave eh. Tsaka alam ko naman, ang goal in life ko ay maging besties lahat ng Benisarians, di ba? Ano ba yan? True! Yes! Kami din ito ba? Ay, uy, di ba may pupuntahan ko tayo? Ay, oo nga! Uy, sandali lang. Paano? Oh, friend, alam mo na yan. Ikaw mo nahala dyan, oh. Sige, pupunta! Kaya na yan, single ka na.
I think I'm into her. There will never ever be like this girl. Say he's into her. I don't know how long I've had this love, girl.
Guys! Ay, si Max! Oh, guys, simula ngayon kasama na natin sa L2 lunch at recess, ha? Hindi na rin sa hangout natin sa The Bar. Okay ba sa inyo yun? Oh, look guys, I understand if you don't want to. Welcome to the product, di ba guys? Oo naman! Push yan! O go! Upo ka dyan, go!
Great. Since friends na tayo lahat, baka naman Max, pwede na kayo magkabati ni Dave.
Ay, diba? True yan. Gusto ko yan. Alam mo, sige na. Ako nga mahirap malayo sa taong mahal ko. Eh, ikaw, mahirap malayo sa taong pwedeng mahal ka niya. O, diba? At baka mahal mo na rin.
How about you? Good. Now we're all complete.
Headmaster, bakit niyo po ako pinatawag?
Because finally, we reach a conclusion on the investigation of your cheating issue. All thanks to Kim and Chloe. It's Choco, right?
Wala naman po akong atraso sa kanya.
Di niya naman yun sinasadya, Max. He just wanted to scare you. Papaluin niya lang sana yung locker mo. Kaya lang, gumalaw ka eh. Di niya napalo yung locker mo, gaya ng original plan niya. Kaya, nagpanik siya. Tapos, natulak ka niya. Kaya nauntog ka sa locker mo.
Isay? Alam mo? Paano?
Didn't you know she was Choco's stepsister? And she probably befriended you para mapagtakpan si Choco.
No! Di ganon yun, Max. Magkaibigan na tayo bago pa mangyari yun.
Pero bakit di mo sinabi sa akin? Bakit sinikreto mo?
It was Elle who planned it.
What?
Magkakuntsaba sila ni Choco.
You're such a liar, Amy.
It's true.
Ano ka ba? Patanggi na kami sa bukas. Hindi ako ba?
Mag-aral ka na nga lang dyan.
Eh, better distract.
Ganun. Eh, di sige, alis na lang ako. Ay, naku. Seryoso. Kailangan ko mag-aral. Bawal ako bumagsak.
I know you're going through a lot right now. I just want to tell you that I'm here for you.
Salamat, Tita.
Niisip ko mas okay siguro ang buhay ko kung hindi ako pumunta dito. Pero, nakatagpo naman ako ng ilang kaibigan na nakatanggap sa akin. Kung hindi ako pumunta dito, hindi kita makikilala. Ikaw na walang ibang ginawa kundi pahirapan ako. Pero, pinago mo ang isip ko. Pinaniwala mo ako na pwede kong itaya ang puso ko sa'yo.
Aldrins! Lights, camera, action! Wait lang!
Cut! Yeah, may cut.
Karat. Tata. Ikaw.
Ito si Tata.
Oh. Ay! Lights! Camera! Action! Wait lang, pinatawa. Oh my God! Akala ko. Si Johnny. Eat whale. Eat whale sa akin. Whale. Si Johnny. Sleep whale.
Tulong yung akin eh. Will.
Eat whale. Ay, gusto niya naman doon. Eat whale na sa whale. Sino ba?
Ha?
Sino bang ini-eat whale na? Ay, nalala. Alawi, ini-eat whale na siya. Eat whale.
We're all here. Kay Tagong Max. Ngayon, nais na.
Cut!
Di niya sinasadya yun, Max. He's supposed to shine. Kaya lang, humilap ka eh.
Kumili.
Nakalimutan ko.
Nagkamali.
Into her. Can't stop thinking about her. Can't stop thinking about her.